Hello friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix oops, an error occurred, route error 500 is just true. In case you are experiencing this error on ChatGPT, guys, I'm going to just quickly walk you through the steps that I've taken to fix the issue. Now, you are currently seeing this screenshot here, and this is because I recently had this issue and I was able to solve it, and I want to share it with you guys in case you encounter this error. So in case you encounter this error, all you have to do is go ahead and click this little icon here on the upper left hand side next to ChatGPT URL. As you can see, you click on it, it's going to give you the option for cookies and site data, or you can just simply go right into site settings. Now, once you're inside site settings, it's very important for you to just click the privacy and security here so that you can see full site settings and privacy. From here, you want to go to where it shows delete your browsing data. So from here, what you want to do is just uncheck everything else except cookies and other site data and hit delete data. Now, what's going to happen here, once you delete this, it's going to ask you to sign back into ChatGPT. And so once you refresh the ChatGPT website, you will not be signing anymore. So you just need to log in with your credentials. Or if you're using a Google account, just sign in with your Gmail account and you will be able to sign in without any problem. I found out that clearing the cookies and the other side data literally fixed the issue for me. And so I wanted to share that with you. So if you encounter this error, guys, try this step. Now, I showed you how to actually reach this by clicking this icon here in the upper left, but you can also reach that by clicking the three dots on the upper right hand side. Go down to where it says settings in your browser, especially if you're using Google Chrome. And from here, you want to click on privacy and security on the left side. And so you do that, and you can find where it shows delete browsing data. So you can easily find it from here as well. Now, what if you're using another browser? Let me show you. For example, I have Edge on my PC. Not sure if you're using Edge, but I'm going to show you just the same. If you're using Edge, for example, you can click the three dots on the upper right hand side. Again, you want to go into settings. From here on the left hand side, you want to find privacy, search, and services in this browser specifically. And you want to go where it shows clear browsing data. And from here, you will have the options. So here you can see it says clear browsing data now, and you have the option to choose what you want to clear. Here you also have the option to clear browsing data now as well. Choose what you want to clear. So you want to go ahead and clear the browsing data. So for example, you click on this, and as you can see, it pops up, and you just uncheck everything else apart from cookies and other side data, and you clear no, right? You don't have to worry about clearing it for the last 24 hours, 7 days. The last hour is enough because in this case you recently experienced the error, and so I imagine that you're having this issue maybe a few minutes ago, right? So you can go ahead and clear it just like that. If you've been experiencing it for the last 24 hours, then yeah, you can go ahead and clear it for the last 24 hours, right? And so yeah, you have two options here. This is for the Internet Explorer, and this is for the related Edge. So you can choose and clear those as well. So but you don't, if you're not using Internet Explorer, you don't have to clear this one, but this one is the most important one if you're using Edge. And yeah, if you have other browsers, guys, is the steps, the concept is pretty much the same. You want to go to privacy and security, and you want to go to where it says that you can delete cookies and site data, right? So you can go ahead and find the cookies and other site data, and you can delete it in the browser and try again. Another thing that you can try is to try to open ChatGPT in incognito mode. And if that works, then you know definitely clearing the site data will help, or try in another browser and see if that fixes the issue for you. But these are the steps that I've taken to fix the issue, guys, and I really hope that it helps you as well. But that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you're still having problems, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to share more tips on how you can fix this issue. Thank you, guys, and see you in the next video.